Hey there, property owners. Are you tired of hearing the same old complaints about property managers? You know, those folks who just take your money and sit around eating bonbons all day? Well, hold on to your keys because today we're flipping that script. Picture this. It's a sunny Saturday morning. You're ready to relax when suddenly the roof starts leaking, the tenant's dog is barking non-stop, and the neighbor's tree decides it's time to move into your backyard. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But here's the twist. Enter the unsung hero of real estate, the property manager. Property managers are like the superheroes you didn't know you needed. They swoop in to handle maintenance, screen tenants, collect rent, and even keep your property value soaring. Sure, we all love to hate them, but let's face it. Without them, your Saturday mornings would look more like a disaster movie than a cozy weekend. They protect your investment like a vault, ensuring everything runs smoother than your favorite latte. So next time you think, do I really need a property manager? Just remember, they're the difference between a perfect latte and a hot mess. Property managers, they're not just a luxury, they're your property's best friend. Trust us, your future self will thank you. Because a smooth property is a happy property.